Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's episode, we are back with another TikTok Made Me Do It. We are doing the viral TikTok s'mores cookies. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have our ingredients. We have our graham crackers, our Hershey's chocolate bars, our marshmallows, and our chocolate chip cookies. If you prefer to make the chocolate chip cookie dough from scratch, I do have a recipe. I will link that down below in the description box. I just wanted to take the easy route today, so I bought the pre-made cookie dough. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So here I have my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. We're going to start by breaking this in half. I'm only going to do a few at a time because these cookies will be pretty big and I don't want them to stick together as they bake. I'll place this here. Next, we're going to open up our Hershey's bar. Here we have our Hershey's bar. I'm just going to take off 3 and place it on top of the graham cracker. Up next, we're going to open our marshmallows and place 1 on top of each. Here I have my big scoop. I'm going to fill this with our cookie dough, and then we're going to press it directly on top. And we're just going to press it down around the marshmallow. Make sure we cover the graham cracker. Just like that. Actually, I think I'm gonna off-center these a bit to kind of help with them not baking into each other. All right, one more. All right, so again, our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna put these in and let this bake for roughly 20 minutes. I'll adjust that time as need be, but as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. Here are the cookies after 25 minutes in the oven. We have made it to the end of our video. Here we have the finished product, our s'mores cookies. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click that bell, turn on your post notifications so you're notified anytime a new video goes live. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.